Good morning, teacher. My name is Damiris Cabrera Gonzalez. This is my school. I live in Montecristo. This is the municipal of Montecristo, Bolívar. Beautiful place, surrounded by a great natural landscape with large fountains of water. A place not for mining, but also for beans and major producers of croissants of banana and cassava. This is the Technical Agricultural, Livestock and Mining Educational Institution of Montecristo, Bolívar. It is a miscegened institution of the technical difference beyond in the municipality of Montecristo. This institution offers classes in different shifts, days, nights, and Saturdays. Missions intend to train highly competent committees of evaluating talent, friendly people, entrepreneurs, questioners of reality, with ethical sense, defender of human rights and international humanitarian law, democratic justice and loyalty, managing of faith and coexisting office in quality section. PDGR 2026. The Technical Agricultural and Mining Educational Institution of Montecristo is projected as a leading institution in the south of Bolívar in the formation of agricultural techniques with a high quality and comprehensive education that allow students to achieve significant achievement in the project of their professional life, work at South Bay, in mission and vision in the town.